How to add a friend on Clash Royale. If you want to add friend in Clash Royale, here's a quick and easy guide. Open your Clash Royale application. Tap onto the social tab at the bottom. This is where you can manage friend and clan member. To send a friend request, there are two ways to add friends. If they are in your clan, tap onto their profile and you can select add friend. If you have their friend link, they can share it with you and you can tap on it to send a friend request. Once they accept your request, they will be added to your friend list. You can now challenge them to battle anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to add friend in Clash Royale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.